In this tutorial, I will show you that how can check trading history in MetaTrader 5 in just few easy steps. So first of all, you need to open your MT5 on your mobile phone. After opening, simply tap here. Now place your trade like this. Now you can see your trade and then simply close it. After closing that, you will see at the bottom side history. Simply tap here and here you will see position history. Now you will see the upper options, position, orders and deals. If you tap on orders, now you will see all the order you placed in MT5 and then you will see the third options, deals. Here you will see all of your trades in and out. If you tap on this option, you will see options like symbols, tickets type, volumes, open time, close time and profit. If you select any option, it will be selected and trade will be shown accordingly. So I will choose open time and it will be order wise. If I open the first trade, then it will show first. And if you tap on all symbols, it will show all of your trades. If you tap on Euro USD, it will show only Euro USD trades. You have to choose trades, then you can tap on third option. Here you will see options like today, last week, last month, last 3 months and custom period. Then it will show you custom periods. If you tap on today, now it will show today trades. If you tap on last week, now you will see your last week trades. So that's how you can check your trading history in MetaTrader 5 in just few easy steps.